Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going back to Turtle and learning how to draw the Latvia flag. This is how it looks like, okay? So I'm just explaining the code today so it can be faster because you guys might be bored if it's longer, okay? So I'll explain. We already know these parts. You already know what a port turtle as T is. Now, T dot speed 10, I think you guys know what that is, so leave this. We know what this is. Makes the background color. So it's like close to the Estonia flag, but the white part, the middle string is like, the height is smaller, basically, you can say. And these two are red. The other ones are red. So you know how to define a rectangle, easier way. Define rec x the coordinates x comma y and color width and height dot. T dot pen up, then T dot go to x comma y. We do all of this after over here basically. And then T dot pen down, then T dot color, then T dot begin fill. It's same thing like T dot color yellow, then T dot begin fill. Then for I in range 2, because for I in range 2, T dot F D, so it will go forward with, then turn 90 degrees right, and then what? And then the height goes forward, so T dot FD height and R T dot RT 90. It's not doing this one time, it's going to do this 2 times. That's how it makes our rectangle over here. Then T dot N fill, which is out of the forward I range. Then T rec, because it was define the function as rec. Okay, let's just say rectangle. Minus 150 comma 100 over here will be this rectangle, which is over here right now, the first rectangle. Then which is red, that is for 220 and 80. Okay, and then we have 150. I meant to say minus 150. Okay, minus 150 comma 20, which is the second rectangle over here. Why? Because if here, my y-axis, this point, if you see, well, okay, let's make this easier for you. Let's use a laser point. Spotlight. So if you see here, this is right now, wait, the y-axis is 100. The y-axis, 100. But if we go over here, no wait, let's make the arrow. Arrow's better. Now if I'm putting if my point is now here, this is then how much? So that's basically a subtraction of what's on 100. Cause look, let's understand. Over here, this is the height. That's 80, right? So 100 minus 80, I can't write properly with this, is 20. Okay, just say this is 20 right now. So this point over here is 20. Wait. Sorry, I can't write that good. I'm not used to this. So that's 20. And then if we go more down, that's minus 20. As you can see here. Like if we go this much down, because that's 80, right? Exactly. So let's just erase this whole thing. I think this is it, right? Let's just say it is. Okay. Good. Remove that. So that's why our rectangle is making the point over here, the white rectangle in the middle. Then why same width, but the height is different because it's 40. Because the Latvian flag is not the same. It's a middle rectangle which is white. The height is a little smaller. Then 150 comma minus 20. I think you already know that, right? You should. Which is red. This is basically this rectangle, the last rectangle. And same thing, 220, which is the width, and 80, which is the height. And T.HT to remove the pen. Let me show you how it works. Oh, that's pretty fast. Try 10. Yes, you see, guys, what's happening? Let's just do one. Oh, that's pretty slow. Okay, 12. Let's just say for now. See? Now you guys can see now. That's how the Latvian flag is. I think you already know it. Okay? And it's just easy to make. It's like turtle is really easy if you already know mathematics and the basics of Python. It comes with this too. It's pretty simple. So thank you everyone for listening about how to make the Latvian flag. Feel free if you have any questions.